Okay. Bonjour and bienvenue à un nouvel épisode de Citroen BX. Today we're doing the cam belt. I found loads more shit wrong with it, but as of today, I'm just doing the cam belt. I've got about 4 hours spare. Ideal time to do that. All the other little bits can wait because they're an hour here and there, but main thing now, get this cam belt on and go from there. So, wish me luck. Got parts in the boot. How hard can it be? He says, without looking at instructions and without doing anything yet. So I'm going to just have a look, see if the kit I've got's right, hop onto technical data, just give it a go and see what happens. So here I'm taking off the top cover. You can see I can taking off the alternator belt, whizzing the wheel off, taking the crank pulley off, taking the bottom cover off, trying to take the middle top cover off, up to top here. Cover's out, engine mount is out. This was a bit tricky, but nothing too difficult. Then we've got the side mount to the block. This was a bit of a bugger, but not hard either. Easy job. Okay, so as you can see, here's the cam belt. I think I've got the wrong kit here, unfortunately. Oh, nightmare. Yeah, I think I've got the wrong kit. I'm gonna put some photos on the group and see what people say and then go from there, I think. Yeah, this looks wrong to me. Bastard. So, cam belt's wrong. It only took me about 45 minutes, if that, to get to this stage, so it's not the end of the world, really. What is the end of the world is the fact that I've ordered that cam belt kit and that Ram Air kit online, and because I've ordered them online, that means I have to return them. So I've got 60 quid in the cam belt kit, I've got 65 quid in an air filter kit there, and now I'm gonna have to go and send them back. So I think the aim of the game today will build this back up, and then go to the post office. I think go to the post office and try and get my money back on all these items, because it's quite a lot of money, but adds up, doesn't it? You know, I can't just sit on, let's say 120, best part of 120 quid worth of parts. I need to get my money back before I forget, basically. I'm a sucker for that. I'm a sucker for ending up with parts and not sending them back. So, job's on hold, guys, unfortunately. I'm going to just double check everything underneath, make sure nothing's been dropped, and make sure all the cam belt's still okay, and we'll go from there. But I'll get my camera out and I'll show you, well, I'll show you now. Let's just show you quickly how the old belt looks. Yeah, the old belt looks okay, to be fair, but it's still something I'm not risking. I will get the new belt kit and I will get it done. It looks brand new, doesn't it? Looks brand new, but I think the water pump's been leaking. I think. Well, yeah, the water pump's there. Let's send this car up. Do you know what? Because this design of the mount underneath, it means you can pretty much, you can rest the engine on it, take the jack out. So I can send that up. I'm going to have a good look underneath, make sure everything's okay, and then I'll put it back together for now. So as you can see, cam belt here, it's got a bit of shit here. Don't know what that is. I'll clean all that out, I'll blow it all out. Water pump is leaking slightly. Oh well, it is what it is. We live and learn. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so my local parts place can get me a cam belt, but it's gonna be like 4 o'clock today. So I'm gonna build it back up, accept defeat, might fix the exhaust whilst I'm here, put a new exhaust rubber on, which I found in my stock, fix them pipes over there, done. Need to get, I've got too much stuff to do today, so this video is gonna be crap this week, so really apologise, but it is what it is, unfortunately. It is what it is. Trying to think of a time I can get on this car next week, and I am rammed next week, so I don't know. I might come back tomorrow later on and do the cam belt on the Citroen. I don't know. I need to get it done. So this video might finish here. It might finish with me putting a new cam belt on it. I don't know. We'll see. Right, so you join me from my sofa. My dog is over there, right? Lenny. Yep. He's enjoying the sun. I'm, well, what I'm doing now is I'm currently editing the video, and on the video I said, hey, I might do the exhaust, I might do the oil change. Didn't do any of that. Just ran out of time. Just been absolutely manic this week, which is great. The business is going well. But I went to GSF, my part supplier, and I got a cam belt. And it doesn't come with a water pump. So I've ordered the water pump, and it's a job for another time, unfortunately. We've got exhaust, LHM leaks, cam belt, water pump, waiting for my V5, still don't have a V5. I've had a message saying that the DVL have received my V62 form. It's just a waiting game. Next week, I am working away Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, fully booked. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm subcontracting in a race team, so I'm at a race weekend all weekend, so I'm wondering, will I have a few hours to work on it? I'm going to have a few hours to work on it. I want to get that exhaust. I want to get everything else done apart from the cam belt. So I'm probably going to have to spend a few hours on it. Most of the stuff I think I can do on the floor, so I can keep my ramp free for customers and just quickly work on it in between jobs. I'm going to have to do a couple hours because I need to get a video out, and I need to keep this is good. The videos are keeping me accountable, which means that the project's getting done at a reasonable rate in between jobs. But being busy is not a bad thing. Being busy is a good thing. The business is growing, it's going well. But yeah, issues. I'm going to flip the camera around, show you Facebook and the messages which some of the people have told me, so we can all live. So this is the Facebook page. I've just gone, hey, is this cam belt tensioner okay? And they've gone, no. So that's the cam belt tensioner I had. That's the cam belt tensioner we've just seen. So we go on to comments. I've put, how do you get, oh no, all comments. So if we go, how do I get more comments? No, I don't really use it. So buy the INA kit, got an INA kit, but it's the wrong one. You need the belt with 113 teeth, and the sprung tensioner, later engines are 114 teeth with the tensioner in your hand. So I got the late model engine. Going back to the early 90s there, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that is it. So let's look at, why is it not showing all comments? View previous comments. So I've put, this is the kit I've ordered, which is that one. And this is the kit I believe is the correct one. That is true. So this is the kit, which I should have bought. But I have bought this one, and that's due to the fact that you don't know which kit you're ordering. You can't see the bugger in situ. You've got to take the whole thing off apart. So yeah, what I've done, everyone's going on about, make sure it is a 113 tooth belt. 113 tooth belt, just make sure it's that basically. So yeah, that's where I have ended up. Also shout out to BX Club. UK, absolutely excellent, helps me out a bunch. People are great on there.